You guys know how much I love Canva, but it's extremely important for me to be honest about the tools that I demo on this channel. In this video, I'm going to give you my honest opinion about Canva Print. It's a great platform to design with, but is the print service high quality enough to pay for? That's the topic for today, and I think you're going to be surprised what I have to say. Without further ado, let's hop in. Hi, I'm LaShonda, and welcome to Bootstrap Biz Advice, where I teach you how to grow a biz without breaking the bank. One of the best ways you can save money in your business is to use my link if you plan on giving Canva Pro a try. Go to lashondabrown.com/Canva45 to get access to tools like background remover, 600,000 plus templates, and 100 million premium stock photos, video, audio, and graphics free for 45 days, which is the longest free trial Canva has to offer. What can Canva print? You can design a ton of things in Canva, but you can also pay Canva to print your designs when you're done. Some of the most popular things to print are tote bags, wearables like sweatshirts, hoodies, t-shirts, and marketing materials like brochures and business cards. If you click on templates and then print products, you can browse through everything that is currently available. However, some designs cannot be printed in certain countries. There is a page on Canva's website called What We Print, and I highly recommend you check out this page before investing your time into designing. Not only does this page tell you generally what regions they service, it lists out the specifications as well. Now here's one important thing to take note of. You can always leverage a local printer for your Canva designs. You don't have to use Canva's print services, but they do offer them as a convenience to you. I was actually shocked at the shipping speed for my recent order of business cards. They arrived in beautiful packaging, which was a lovely surprise in my mailbox, and they even included some stickers, which I loved. How does Canva compare pricing-wise? When I recertified as a Canva expert, I decided to create a business card that put all my info on one card. I designed it to be double-sided and ordered 500 on premium paper matte finish. The total cost was $60. I've used Moo.com and Vistaprint in the past to print business cards. Moo is definitely the most expensive option, and Vistaprint is the cheapest. However, as soon as you decide to print on both sides of the card, Vistaprint will increase in price regardless of promo codes or coupons. How was the print quality? I thought the quality of Canva's printing was really good. It could handle the gradient on the front of the card, and my photo cutout on the back did not appear pixelated. My only complaint with my business card was where my cutout stopped. If I was designing for web, I would have had my body go all the way to the bottom, but with print, you want to leave room so things don't get cut off. I'm super used to the seamless look, so initially I was taken off guard, but I definitely think it's fine. You also want to play around with your font weights because business cards are super small. Varying your font weights will create hierarchy and drive attention to the information you want to emphasize without having to use italics or underlines. I also changed my hair since I designed these cards, so I'm going to tweak the design a bit, replace the headshot, and order another run. I also had Canva print a t-shirt for me with the Canva Expert logo on it for workshops, and I was very pleased with the quality of the shirt and the quality of the print. How do I feel about Canva Print overall? Overall, I recommend Canva for paper products and small runs of promotional products like t-shirts. Most promotional product companies will give you price breaks when you order larger quantities, so that will probably save you money. Using a local printer may also save you on shipping, so before you place your order on Canva, just run a price check and see what works best for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more Canva tutorials, and feel free to reach out if you would like for me to train your team or community on how to get more out of your Canva subscription. Until next time, ta-ta for now.